Beards. Beards. Why are we growing them? Welcome back for another video to recalibrate with Ron Natty Nate. And I just wanted to talk about my beard, you guys. Some of you guys have been asking questions. What's going on? When am I going to shave? How long have I been growing this beard? This beard's been going, you guys, since April. Yes, so it's November of 2021. It's been going since April. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So this month marks the 8th month. 8 months I've been growing this beard, you guys. The only thing I've been doing is just trimming up the cheek. And I learned this really cool trick. You just take like something straight, park it right in the crevice of your ear, and go straight down to the crease of the lips. And that right there is a nice straight mark. So that's the only thing I've been doing, you guys, is just shaving the cheeks. I haven't been doing under the neck or anything. Just letting it go. It's called a yeared, right? So it's the year of the beard. And I've never grown a full beard ever before. And Lissa was like, yeah, go ahead, do it up. Because I was like, I kind of want to grow a beard just to see what it looked like. And she's like, do it up. So here it is, you guys. This is the beard. And to break down a little bit about this thing, my plan was to grow it for a year. So this next April is my birthday. I think I might just trim it up, go to a shop and get it trimmed up, kind of chiseled out a little bit, and still keep it up until Woodstock of 2022, which is going to be in August. And if you guys have not checked out what Woodstock is, Woodstock, of course, is different than the Woodstock back in the 60s. I mean, that's a place in New York. This is actually an hour north of the actual town of Woodstock, but it's called the Woodstock Fruit Festival. And it is a life-changing event, completely amazing. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. Check it out. You can go to the web page, you can go to Instagram page, Woodstock Fruit Festival. Absolutely incredible. The people there and just the experiences and the information and the education and just the fun is just unbelievable. It's unlike any festival that I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot of festivals and a lot of events. But anyways, my plan was to grow it until Woodstock and then possibly cut it off at Woodstock. Just for fun. I don't know. That's kind of just, it's nice to set goals for yourself. So that's one of my goals, you guys, is just to keep this thing growing, maybe trim it up on my birthday. It's definitely something that sometimes I look at myself in the mirror like, whoa, there's a beard on me, because I'm not used to seeing myself with a beard, even still 8 months in. Like sometimes I look at it like, dang, do I want to cut this thing? It's absolutely wild. But certain things that I've learned is just like keeping a healthy head of hair, which I'm growing my hair out too. You guys may have taken a notice. I've got the headband on. It's like a makeup headband. Really nice just to get the hair out of my face. It's not, I'm at that, interesting stage where it just doesn't really want to cooperate. And I don't really spend a lot of time styling my hair in the morning. I either put on a hat or put on one of these headbands, just easy. So, but I'm growing the hair out. Same thing. I just want to let it go just to see what it looked like. I used to have long hair when I was younger, really long, down to the middle of my back. And I kind of miss it. But one thing is, with hair on your head and hair on your face, or any hair for that matter, is you have to take care of your hair. And there's certain protocols and procedures that I've learned with the beard that has really helped, especially being here in the desert. Look at this beautiful place down in the canyon here, you guys. This is Valley of Fire Canyon. Absolutely incredible spot. Just came down here for a little hike just to get away from, it's just nice to get away from people and the city and everything, once in a while. Like, really? Every single week we come out to the desert. It's just so peaceful out here. Like, I can't hear anything. It's absolutely incredible. So every single week we get out to the desert, we get on a trail somewhere, we just get into nature, because we're living downtown Las Vegas, right? And it's really, really incredible how busy it is. And yeah, so getting out in nature is really, really important. But here in the desert, it's really dry. And so sometimes if I don't keep up on a good wash and condition of the beard hair, because another thing with conditioning is you're conditioning your skin, just like your head scalp. You want to kind of, it's not like you want to add certain moistures to it, like oils or anything like that. Or some people use apple cider vinegar and different things to kind of, cleanse the scalp. I just have a cool little scrubby. It's like these little silicone cones, or little, sharp. They're silicone, so they're not real sharp, but they're real sharp, pointy, and you can just kind of scrub your head with that to kind of loosen up any, which is like, so weird and gross in the same time. It's like dead skin cells. You got to like break them up and get them off. Same with the facial hair, right? Like my face isn't being exposed to sunlight, so I have to like scrub with that thing and make sure I'm like, cleaning the skin. And another thing that has really helped is having a moisturizer to add to, which is called beard oil. So I didn't even know about this world of growing beards, but of course, what's so cool this day and age is you can tap in, you can find information on YouTube or wherever, internet, Instagram, and find out what other people are using for their beard care. And I've been using this beard oil, and I've actually got it in my backpack. This one that I have with me is from Norwex. Of all places, Norwex is the cloths that we buy. Some microfiber cloth. Really has been an amazing cloth. I mean, it's kind of funny. Like, I never thought I'd be geeking out over cloths, but the Norwex cloths are really amazing. And they make all kinds of different household cleaning products, which are more eco-friendly. We do wash the microfibers, for those of you who might be thinking like, oh no, microfibers are getting into the water system. Definitely, there's microfibers that come off of when you wash stuff. So we have a special bag that we wash them in. And it's like a real fine, like silkscreen kind of mesh, and it's supposed to catch those fibers. So we're doing everything that we can, you guys, to try to be looking out for this planet, because it's so freaking beautiful. So what we want to do is we want to be reusing things as much as we can. It really has helped us cut down on paper towels and such. But anyhow, whatever the case is, the Norwex beard oil is absolutely incredible, in any beard oil for that matter. And I'm doing a little dropper because it's a little dropper, and you can just stick it in there, the dropper in there, and get the oil on your skin, and then just rub the oil into your skin. And it has really made a huge difference with my beard. So yeah, anyways, you guys, just a quick little update about the beard for those of you guys who are wondering what the heck is going on. What am I doing? Why am I doing this? And I don't even know, you guys. I just was thinking it'd be kind of fun to grow a beard. I've never grown a beard, and here it is in all of its glory. In all of its beard glory. I like it though. It's pretty fun. There are, like I said, some times that I've wanted to cut it. And for those people who grow beards out there, like I've had a couple friends, start growing a beard since they were inspired from my beard, and they're like, hey, I'm gonna grow mine. And then I look and I'm like, oh my gosh, you cut it. What happened? And they're like, I just got sick of it. So one thing that one of these YouTubers was telling me was, hey, grow it out. Or he was telling his audience, really. I was just watching the YouTube. Grow it out, and for however months you've grown it and you want to cut it, give yourself that many days to think about it. So it's been 8 months. So that means I would wait 8 days to make the choice of whether I'd want to cut it or not. And most of the times, after just a couple days, I'm like, whatever, here it goes. I'll just keep it. So this is it, you guys. This is me and my full beard. I'm excited. We're 8 months in. It's going to be interesting to see where it goes over these next few months into April, which is, my birthday coming up. And I'll be 45 this year, you guys. Woohoo! Amazing. So for those of you guys who are in your 40s, welcome. We've been waiting for you. And for those of you who are on your way, it'll be here. It's not going anywhere. And of course, for those of you guys who are older than 40, hats off to you. You're my inspiration. Always looking up to, some of my older generational peers, older aged peers, and looking to you guys for information as well. So anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed this cool little video, cool little, talk about my beard. Hopefully it didn't bore you. If you stuck through the entire time, give yourself a thumbs up, and me a thumbs up too if you liked the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and the bell for notifications for new uploads. I'm definitely trying to do my best to get more YouTubes out to you guys and to get more organized with these YouTube videos, so I can pinpoint certain topics and bullet points so you guys can really leave with as much value as you can, and I don't just sit here and ramble. Lissa, of course, my wife, Raw Food Romance. If you're not subscribed to her channel, make sure you go check her out. I'll have her in the link in the description down below. She's amazing with her YouTube videos, and it's so inspirational. I'm like, gosh, I really need to up my game, because she has some amazing content, and honestly, I'm really glad that she made YouTube videos, because I wouldn't have known who she was if she didn't. And I wouldn't have bought her book, you know, and changed my life. And it's incredible because, I mean, I married her. Like, how awesome is that? I found her on YouTube. She changed her life by going raw vegan. I was trying to figure out how to go raw vegan, and I wanted to have good, healthy, delicious meals. I didn't want to juice and cleanse and detox and all that stuff. I just wanted to change my diet and lifestyle. And my gosh, I'm so thankful that she has a YouTube channel and creates books for people, because she's changing people's lives right and left. So if you guys are interested in changing your life up, adding more healthy, delicious raw foods to your life, be sure to click the link down in the description and check out our books. All of them are 40% off. We've got several meal plans. Lissa has 3 meal plans. Her volume number 3 is definitely the best for beginners. She's got a burger book, a soup book, a journaling book, a winter book, all kinds of amazing content in those books, absolutely. And I've got 3 books myself. I've got a nice cream book, a dude food book, which is a meal plan, choose your own adventure meal plan, and my new book, which is Alive, all about the power and benefits of growing sprouts and growing microgreens. Be sure to check that out. If you guys aren't growing sprouts and growing microgreens, that helps the beard grow and that helps the hair grow. You know, for those of you guys who aren't growing a beard, don't worry, you know, healthy head of hair is really important as well. So I didn't get into too much of the products that I use or any of that kind of thing, but, you know, maybe we'll save that for another video. But anyways, you guys, until next time, love you.